You ever open your paycheck and think, wait, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the real reason your salary looks smaller than what was promised: income tax. Let's start with the basics. Income tax is basically the government's way of collecting money from everyone who earns an income. It doesn't matter if you're working at a cool startup or grinding in a big corporate office. If you make money, you pay tax. Now, the higher your salary, the more tax you pay. But it isn't as simple as just taking a chunk out of your paycheck. There are tax brackets, and only the money you make in each bracket gets taxed at that specific rate. Here's how it plays out. When you get hired, your company promises a gross salary. That's the big number you see on your job offer. But when payday comes, the amount that lands in your bank account is called your net salary. The difference? That's income tax and Social Security and sometimes other deductions like health insurance. But let's stay focused on income tax. Your employer is actually required to take out this tax before you even see your money. This is called withholding. Think of it like your boss doing you a favor, so you don't get hit with a massive bill at the end of the year. So, every month, a portion of your salary goes straight to the government, and you get what's left. Now, you might be wondering, where does this money go? Most of it funds things like roads, schools, hospitals, and even the salaries of government workers. Whether you see it or not, you're helping keep the country running. But, okay, what if you think too much is being taken out? Good news, at the end of the year, you can file a tax return. If you've paid more tax than you owe, you get a refund. If you paid less, you pay the difference. It's not as scary as it sounds, and there are tons of free resources to help you out. So, the next time you see your paycheck and feel that sting, just remember, you're not being robbed. Well, not exactly. You're just paying your share to keep things moving. And who knows, with the right knowledge, you can even find ways to save on taxes in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't let the numbers freak you out. You've got this.